Okay, so maybe you have seen these things on TikTok or Instagram. A little cube that transforms your room and ceiling with an effect that simulates ocean waves or the northern lights. This one is by LETOUR, and we'll do a full unboxing and run through all its functions to give you a thorough review and see if it's actually as magical as it looks in the clips. The first thing in the box is a small instruction booklet. It provides usage instructions and product details to let you know that you can operate it by touching the unit or by using the included remote control. The cube itself is pretty light, made of a clear acrylic plastic and an ABS base. It feels solid, but only weighs 400 grams. The last item in the box is this small remote. Since the unit is made of lightweight plastic, it might feel a bit cheap compared to a heavier glass unit. We pull out the small plastic tab to enable the battery and prepare it for use. The battery is replaceable and is a standard CR2025 battery, commonly used in low-power electronic devices, including car key fobs and calculators. We initially tried using the remote control to turn on the unit. Since that did not work, we looked at the cube itself for a power switch. Seeing a power symbol on the base, we also tried pressing on that. So, this brought up one of the limitations of this cube. It does not have a battery, so it has to be plugged in for use. While the cord is relatively long, almost 6 feet, it would have been nice if the cube could also be charged, or battery operated, to avoid having to plug it in. This would have made it more convenient, for instance, if you wanted to place it on a dining table or something far from an outlet, for ambience. It also does not include the wall brick, so you will need your own USB-A power source. Now, with it plugged in, we can use the remote to turn it on and easily cycle through the different lighting options. One thing to note is the remote needs to have a clear line of sight to the cube in order for it to function. In addition to using the remote, you can just touch the cube itself. A short touch turns it on and cycles through the 16 colors and modes. A long press turns it off. Let's take a look at it in a darker room to see what it looks like. First, there are 16 color options. They are arranged on the bottom left of the remote, in 3 columns, of shades of red, green, or blue. Clicking on any one changes the color of the cube. We found the green hue even looks a bit like the northern lights, while the blue shades have an underwater or ocean wave effect. As you can see, the light ripples on the walls and ceiling, even at a bit of distance. It provides a rich, saturated glow, with the light moving and blending, not blinking. This creates a relaxing mood, great for winding down at night. There are 4 color changing modes. This one is flash. This is strobe. This is fade. And this is smooth. The top left-hand buttons control brightness. Many folks wonder if it's bright enough to read by, but it is definitely more of a mood light or night light, not a desk lamp. Also, people wonder if the motor is noisy, but we could not really hear it at all. Finally, the only other drawback compared to some other models is this is lights only, so there is no speaker for music or a sound machine. We hope you found this video informative. We did receive this unit for free, in exchange for our honest review.